Welcome to Best Twitch Streamers, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can upload videos on YouTube easily. So there's two ways of uploading videos on YouTube. The first way would be by going over here, create option, and then clicking on upload video. Now once you do this, over here you can just select the file or drag and drop the file that you want to upload to your YouTube channel. So now if I upload a clip, for example this clip right here is gonna start uploading right there. And the other way would be, now the way I just showed you guys is the easiest way, and the other way is gonna be you head over to YouTube, you go to your channel. Once you're inside your channel, over here you want to click on manage videos. Once you click on manage videos, over here, you know, we'll delete this, delete draft video. From here, as you can see, there's always going to be this upload videos, and otherwise you can also head over to the dashboard, and the dashboard over here is also going to have this upload video option. And the same thing, you can just click on it and then drag and drop whichever video you want to upload. As you can see, that's being there. Now I do not want to upload this, so I'm just gonna cancel it, cancel upload, and that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like, hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.